Good morning, everybody. In this video, I will be uploading the explanation of the drama by Shakespeare, The Tempest. This will be beneficial for the ISC students. Those of 11 will get great help as beginners, and for 12thers, it will help in recapitulation. Beginning with Act 1, Scene 1. Children, the name of the play is The Tempest, which means a storm. And in the very first scene, the play opens with a shipwreck. A ship that is completely amidst a violent storm, and the passengers who are present in the ship are all distinguished personalities. At present, I will not tell you about the different personalities. As the play proceeds, it will be easier for you to understand. So, the scene is beginning with the ship at sea. There is noise of thunder, lightning, and enter a master. The master is the captain of the ship, and a boatswain. Who is a boatswain, children? Boatswain is an officer in the ship who is in charge of the equipments and the sailors. So the captain calls for the boatswain because he is the officer in charge. And boatswain says, "Here, master, yes, I am here. What cheer? What do you want?" The captain of the ship tells him, "Good." What does that expression good indicate? That the captain is appreciating the quick appearance of the officer, and he tells him to speak to the sailors, speak to the mariners. Fall to it. Fall to it means tell your sailors to be ready to fall to carry out the orders yearly, means immediately. Why? Because we will run ourselves aground, because there is a danger that our ship might get stuck in the shallow waters of the sea. So we need to be stir, we need to be quick. Giving this information or direction, the master, the captain of the ship, moves away, and now the sailors enter. Then boatswain, the officer in charge, tries to cheer up his group of mariners. He tells them, "Hey, hurry up. My hearts means my brave sailors. Cheerily, cheerily, work with happiness, work cheerfully, enthusiastically. You all are my hearts." Hearts means brave hearts, brave sailors. Year means be quick. Take in the topsail. Take in the topsail means first you consider the sail on the topmast. Children, we will see that Shakespeare has used in this many terms related to ship, which gives an information that Shakespeare was very good in the knowledge of ships. So he is writing, take in the topsail, take care of the topsail, tend to the master's whistle, pay attention. When the captain blows his whistle, he might have some directions to give us. And then he is talking to the wind. So the wind is personified over here. He is telling the wind to blow till it bursts itself. And only if there is room enough, means enough space to accommodate the ship in the sea, which means that you can blow wind until we get enough space to direct our ship clearly out of the shallow waters. At this moment, Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Ferdinand, and Gonzalo. They enter. Now, who is Alonso? Children, Alonso is the king of Naples. Sebastian is the brother of Alonso. Antonio is presently the Duke of Milan, but he has usurped. Usurped means purposely taken away the kingdom of Milan from its rightful owner, Prospero. Prospero is rightfully the Duke of Milan, but Antonio, his brother, has forcefully usurped the kingdom. Ferdinand, he is Alonso's son. I repeat, Alonso is the king of Naples. Sebastian is his brother. Antonio is the present king of Milan, but not the rightful king of Milan. Ferdinand is Alonso's son, and Gonzalo, he is a old and honest counselor. And there are others too. So Alonso, the king of Naples, says, "Good boatswain, have care." Have care means be careful. Where is the master? Where is the captain of the ship? Play the men. Play the men means face the storm with the courage of men. Now, boatswain is totally engaged in his work. He does not like any interference. So he says, "I request you, keep below, keep to your cabins. Do not come and disturb me." Antonio, the present Duke of Milan, says, "Where is the master, the captain of the ship, boatswain?" Boatswain says, "Do you not hear him? Can't you hear his whistle? You mar our labor. You mar our labor means you are interfering with our work. Keep to your cabins. You are assisting the storm to destroy us by not allowing us to do our work." Gonzalo, he is an old man and he tries to pacify the environment by saying, "No, good sir, boatswain, try to be patient, be calm." Boatswain says, when the sea will become calm, I will myself become patient. Hence, now please go away. What cares these roarers for the name of the king? What does this mean, children? That these thunderstorms, which are the natural elements of nature, they do not care that a ship which is surrounded by tempest has a king on board. Means these thunderstorms does not understand or take care whether we have a king on the ship or not. We will be showing our gratitude and respect to the king, but not nature. So please go to your cabins, be quiet, trouble us not. Please do not trouble us. Gonzalo says, "Good, all right. Yet remember whom thou hast abroad. The elements of nature may not know, but you should remember the passengers who have boarded this ship." Children, I will speak till here today. You will be getting my next video uploaded very soon. Thank you.